Today I gonna demonstrate breadcrumb bar widget for you. In a breadcrumb bar, you can make a breadcrumb section like this, such as this, and lots more other variations. You can check it out on our demo page. Now let's jump into the backend. From the backend, to create a breadcrumb bar, you need a widget called breadcrumb bar from the plus add-ons. From there, you have option for the style selection. There is style 1 and style 2. In a style 2, there is an arrow layout which you can adjust like this. And let's keep style 1 for now. In a style 1, you can adjust that for a full width. You will not see the full width effect until we put any background. Let's put a background with the color like this, so you will have a better idea. Let's get back to the full width. Then you can make it center, left or the right. Those alignments you can adjust for the responsive devices as well. After that, there is option for a home section, which you can select icon or the home text. If you want to remove the text, you just need to remove this option from here and you will see only icon. So let's get back to the home as well. After that, there is the separator icon option. In a separator icon, you can select the icon from as an image or icon font or the font option. You can select all, see all the options available here like this. Then if you want to turn off the home, you can disable it using this. Then if you want to turn off the parent, you can, and then you have option for the current, so you can hide the current section. So those three options are available there. In a style, you have option for the typography. You can adjust the typography of that. You also have the font weight, transform style and other options which are responsive as well. Then you have option for the text color, or you can use the gradient as well. Those options are for the both normal and the active. There is a border type as well, like you can put a border around it like this. You also have the padding option, so you can put a border and you can adjust the padding. Those options are available at the bottom. Let's remove for now. Then in a home icon, you can adjust the padding. You can increase its size if you want to. You can adjust their color. In a separator style, you can increase their icon, their color and hover color. Also you can adjust its padding. You also have a letter limit, which is highly useful for responsive devices and when you have a long breadcrumbs. In a title, you can limit how much letters you want to show. Same you can use with the current page. That means if you select a 1, it will show only B. If you select the 10, you will see the whole breadcrumb text. Then you have option for the content background, like we did. You also have the padding option. You can adjust the padding, inner padding. We have border options, box shadow and box shadow on hover. Then you have option for the separate background style. So if you want to put a separate background for each like this, then at that time you need to use this option. Like this is for the home, this is for the active one. So you can put all those things using this option. You can also put the border radius, and all these options are for the normal and hover condition. After that, you have option for the on scroll view animation. We already made a separate video for this. You can check it out on our channel. So these are the options are available in a breadcrumb. You can check out all our demos. You also can import these demos from Plus Designs. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.